so much for clicking on my video to watch. Today is the second day of 5 days of fall. So this is a super cool tone look. I'm not used to doing these kind of looks, but that's how it came out today. So for those of you who love cool tones, this is going to be the video for you. What I'm doing right now is 5 days of fall. Yesterday I started it and it was my first fall makeup tutorial, and I am doing them all 5 days in a row. So you're going to get a different makeup tutorial every single day. 5 days in a row. I did this last year and it was really fun, so I'm super excited to do it again this year. So before we hop on into the video, please don't forget to subscribe. Click that little bell beside the subscribe button. That way you guys get notified every time I upload a new video. Also be sure to like this video if you enjoy my 5 days of fall, and if you'd like to know how I got this look, then please just keep watching. Okay, let's start out with some primer. I'm going to use my No Problem Touch and Soul primer. I really like this one. I got it in one of my recent BoxyCharms. Like I do a lot of my products, but this one feels so nice on the skin. I'm actually going to start off with the eyes today while that primer sinks into my skin. So I'm going to need to prime them. I'm going to use the same concealer I'm going to use in a little bit. I always use concealer to prime my eyes. The only eye primer I think I've ever used is the Urban Decay Eden eye primer. That one's really good. I just haven't used it in forever because I used it when it first came out and I've just found concealer works, so that's what I use. But if you have a good eye primer that you love using, let me know because I wouldn't be opposed to trying some out. I'm just gonna set them with some powder so they don't crease. I'm doing a plum look today. I'm so excited, and I'm gonna be using the Violet Voss Essentials palette for the first time today. I got this in my recent BoxyCharm. I feel like I say that a lot. And it's got beautiful fall shades in it. So I'm going to focus on using the purple and the more warmer browns down here. So I'm first going to take the shade Dusty Rose right here. And that shade is going to go right into my crease. I'm using my big fluffy Elamar crease brush. Ooh, that's pretty. I've never actually used Violet Voss eyeshadows before. Actually, I haven't used any of their products before, so I'm really excited to try this out. I'm going to switch brushes now. This one is a Moda Pro crease brush, and I'm going to grab the shade Cinnamon now, which is the shade right here. And I'm also going to put this into my crease just a little bit lower than I put the other shade, just kind of creating a gradient effect. I wasn't planning on making this a halo eye, but now I'm thinking why not? Because the more I put this shade in, I'm kind of dragging it onto the inner corner and outer corner naturally, so I'm kind of thinking I'm gonna do a halo eye now. I'm just going to cut out the crease for the halo eye and just pop the concealer right in the center. Halo eyes are a bit of a struggle for me because I have hooded eyes. I always have to go a little bit above the crease just so it doesn't hide the halo eye and just fold over. Wow, that airplane's really loud. Rude. Now I'm going to take the shade Plumberry right here, the star of the show. Just start applying it with my ring finger. Ooh, that's pigmented. I'm just switching to a brush so I can really get up to the edge. Okay, I'm about to take a risk here, so this better be a really good black. But now I'm going to take the black in the palette that's actually called black, and with a little detail brush, I'm going to work it onto my outer and my inner corner. First, I'm just going to press it on and kind of fade it into the purple, and then I'll go ahead and start blending all around the edges as well, just so it flows together. Okay, I look crazy right now. Hopefully after all the face makeup is on, the lashes, it will be fine. I always have to tell myself, just wait it out, put on all your makeup before you decide if you like it or not. But to make it stand out more, I'm going to use this Purple Dream highlighter from Artist Couture. I haven't used it yet. How am I going to open this? Ow. I'm gonna add it right on top of the purple. Okay, that makes it look really cool. I'm also gonna put this on my inner corners. For some eyeliner, I'm gonna use this Hank & Henry Blickety Black liquid eyeliner. I also have never used this. Will be my first time. And I'm just gonna do a thin upper lash liner. I'm not gonna do a wing. Or am I gonna do a wing? I'm nervous. I'm doing so many things I'm like not that good at, so but this eyeliner is gliding on really easy. Like, it's giving me confidence. I feel like I can do it. You guys, I'm gonna do the winged eyeliner. Ready? Oh my gosh, I did it. This eyeliner is freaking awesome. It literally makes it so easy. You guys, I'm actually not good at winged eyeliner. This is insane. It usually takes me like 20 minutes to do winged eyeliner. I'm not even joking. So I applied some false lashes. I put on the Ardell 814 faux mink lashes, put some black eyeliner on my upper and lower waterline, and now I'm gonna move on to the face. I'm gonna first go in with these Deck of Scarlet strobe drops. These came in their Hollow Glam kit. They are a subscription service for $40 a month, and all of their products that I have tried so far I love. I actually did a whole Instagram tutorial using their Hollow Glam kit. It was so fun. Like, these are so pretty. So I'm gonna put it underneath my foundation just to give myself a little bit of an extra glow. Now time for some foundation. I'm gonna go in with Maybelline Superstay foundation. I'm really excited that my skin has started to change. It used to be extremely dry and that's it, but now it's more combination skin, so I can use more matte foundations, which I'm so excited about. I love a matte finish. I'm just gonna apply it with a damp beauty sponge. Foundation is so full coverage. It looks so good with really dramatic glam looks like this. Their Superstay products are so good because they literally stay on all day. For concealer, I'm gonna use the Maybelline Fit Me concealer. This one is in the shade 10 Light. Adding a lot because you know me, I love a lot of concealer. I'm just going to blend it out with the exact same sponge. Oh my gosh, my skin looks so good right now. So I'm looking at it in the mirror. For powder, I'm going to go in with my Becca Hydra Mist powder. So I'm just going to set all where I put the concealer down and just really press it into my skin. This is a really nice powder too for retouching throughout the day. I never had to retouch my foundation before because I would never get oily, but recently have been sometimes, and this powder is really nice for it because it doesn't get cakey. It's still really lightweight, so it's easy to just apply more throughout the day without it looking insane. I'm going to finish off my eyes so I don't forget about them. So I'm just going to take the black again on my detail brush, just add it to my lower lash line. And then of course we'll need a little bit of lower lash mascara to finish off the eyes. For the bronzer, I'm going to try out the one in the Deck of Scarlet edition number 14 palette. So Deck of Scarlet collabs with YouTubers every single month, so it's always a collab with a YouTuber, which makes it really fun. There's always eyeshadows and face products and lip products in the palette. Whoops, there goes the sheet. Here's what this one looks like. It's really cool. They kind of focus on more cool tones and blues. I'm just going to be trying out the bronzer today because I think it'll go really good with this look. I'm going to pick it up on my Benefit Hula brush and just start applying it. This palette would be super good for like a mermaid look for Halloween because it's got all of the kind of pearly, bluey, purpley tones in it. That's what it reminds me of when I look at it. Now I'm going to go in with some contour. I'm going to use my Sigma Sculpt palette today, and I'm going to take the shade Faking It and Throw Shade. I like to mix the two, and with an angled brush I'm just gonna put it into the hollows of my cheeks and swipe it up on towards my cheeks so it all blends together, and I'll contour my jaw a little bit. I'm going to switch over to my Sigma blush palette and take the shade Core de Rosa right here. It's a nice warm tone shade and it'll warm up my face a lot. I've been liking a lot of blush recently, so I basically pick it up on a big fluffy brush and just use it as a bronzer basically. Highlighter time. Okay, I haven't used this highlighter in forever. It's the Ofra Rodeo Drive highlighter and it's still in its old packaging, so I hope it's still, you know, okay to use. I don't know how old it is, but we're using it today because I think it's really pretty and I forgot about it. Let's add a little bit to the inner corners. And I already put some inner corner highlight on, but why not? Okay, I've just got my lips left. I'm at a little bit of a loss. I'm hoping this will work out. I kind of was thinking an ombre lip. Eyes turned out super dramatic, like much more dramatic than I expected. I'm gonna first take Bite Beauty lipstick in the shade Sake. I'm gonna focus it on the under part of my lips. Then I'm gonna take the shade Cava and put it right in the center. I don't know. Do I look like Ursula or something? And add a little gloss to the center. The Deck of Scarlet Hollow Glam kit comes with 2 lip glosses, and I'm going to use this one today. So pretty. Okay guys, well that is it for the tutorial. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. This look was not what I was envisioning, but here it is. Let me know if you are way more into cool tones or warm tones, because I'm definitely a warm tone girl and I feel weird wearing all of these cool tones right now, but I actually kind of think it looks cool. I'm obsessed with the eyeliner, so please don't forget to subscribe before you leave, like this video if you enjoyed it. Come back tomorrow for another 5 days of fall makeup tutorial, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!